Today we wanted to talk about a little bit of a newer technique called flex and set checking. This is also sometimes referred to as control checking. When you're flex and set checking, this is going to determine the lash readiness and take the guesswork out of your lash lifting treatments. This is something that you're going to do for both your step 1 and your step 2 solutions. So when you are flex checking, that's going to be with your step 1 solution. When we flex check, what we're looking for is that the lash is very soft and malleable and those cross-linking disulfide bonds in the hair have broken down. When you flex check, you're going to grab one lash and peel it away from the lash wrap. When we fold this lash over, if it takes on more of a C shape, that's going to indicate that it's not fully processed and that lotion needs to sit longer. When you then peel the lash away and down and it collapses more into a tight U or almost a V shape, that is going to indicate that those cross-linking disulfide bonds have been broken down and that lash is ready. We can then remove our step 1 solution. We then would go in and now we're going to set check our step 2 solution. When you set check, it's going to look a little bit different. So when you're flex checking, you're looking for that lash to be soft and malleable. When we're set checking, we're looking to see that those disulfide bonds have reformed and that lash is holding that new curl direction. So when you set check, you're going to grab the tip of the lash and peel it down towards the under eye pad. You're then going to just release that lash. Now what we're looking for is we're looking for that lash to recoil or spring back up into that lifted position, mimicking the shape of the rod or shield that we are working on. Now we want that recoil to happen in less than 1 second. If that lash slowly returns back to position, that indicates that our setting solution has not fully processed and it needs to be left longer. But if that lash is recoiling back in less than 1 second and mimicking the shape of your rod or shield, you are good to then remove your step 2 lotion. After your step 2 lotion is removed, you can then go in with some regen to really nourish those lashes, followed by a lash bath to remove all lotions, adhesives, and your rod or shields from the eye area. After that lash bath is complete, you can then look at your absolutely beautiful results and see that your flex and set checking has really helped to indicate the appropriate time to process your client's lashes.